Hello everyone, welcome to Chirag's MongoDB tutorial. In this video, we are going to learn how to MongoDB schedule backups on Windows Server or Windows machine. So we have a tutorial link and we have a MongoDB database server is 192.168.224.133. I have taken a remote of that server. This is running in the VMware. So let me connect with the MongoDB first. Meanwhile, I'll just open the tutorial link and go through the step by step. So connected, we have a database, my database, and my database. We have a two collection. One is order, second one is users. We have two orders and users collections are there. Let me open the tutorial link. So MongoDB database server 192.168.224.133. To schedule MongoDB backups on the Windows server, you can use the task scheduler and a backup script. Here is a step-by-step guide. So first step one is to create a backup script. So open a text notepad file, and this is the my script, and I'll go through the script also. So I've written this. So echo setup, set the current date and date format. So I'll just date stamp I'll taken from this one. This one is the local date time value of the WMIC OS time zone and time date time, and set backup directory. So I have to create the backup directory. So I'm creating the backup directory MongoDB backup inside the C drive. So open your C drive. I'm creating one directory. So this is my MongoDB backup directory. Next, create the backup directory. If not exist, backup directory is not exist, then create the backup directory with the MAC directory, mkdir. Perform MongoDB backup. So MongoDB dump host name, localhost, port 27017. This is the default port of the MongoDB out in the path of this backup directory. Here you can take a backup of the particular collection, particular database or all database. So in this case I'm taking the all database backup. Okay. So in previous video you can able to check the backup and restore in the particular database, full databases and restore. So optional, remove all backups older than 7 days. So there is I have written the command for files and checking the less than 7 days. Then this is a RMDR, remove directory. So that will be completed successfully. So backup completed successfully. This is the my backup script. So here is the Mongo. Save the script as a MongoDB Mongo underscore backup underscore batch file. So going to save this one, Control S, and let me check. So this I'm just saving this one more folder I'm going to create, that is the scripts. Let me create that. Inside that I'll save this file. So C drive scripts, this file name, and save. So file is saved on C script directory, and test the script. So I'm going to connect cmd cd script. dir. So you can able to find one file is there, that is a MongoDB batch file. So I'm going to run this file. Before running this, let me check with the backup folder. We don't have any data. Now what I'll do, I'll just run this file. So backup success completed successfully. Now go to the folder. You can able to check there is a database. Name of the database for all the folders are there. Inside the folder there is a orders and user. Two base two database backup file is there, and you can check here also. Here you have a two. So there is a orders and user. So both the database is backup successfully with the command line. Now next part is schedule the backup using the task scheduler. So I have, let me open the task scheduler. Okay, not task manager, task scheduler. So here you can click on the create task and give the name of the task. So I'm giving that name MongoDB backup. Now description, if you want to give the some description, that daily backup of the MongoDB database or daily backup of MongoDB database run when the user is logged in. So I'm just checking run whether user is logged in or not. Do not store the password, run with the highest privileges. So give this permission, go to the trigger. Create a new trigger. Here is the option one time, daily, weekly and monthly. Whenever you want, you can check with that. Recur in every 1 day. So I'm scheduling this one every day. So every day it will run at 7:26. Just give some 7:30. Okay, 7:30 a.m. and go to the action. You have to go to the new and you have to give the path of the your script. Where's the script? It's a batch file path. Okay, go to the condition. Remove this one. Go to the setting. No need to change anything. If you want to change, then it's okay. So just create OK. Explain the task. Here you will find that MongoDB database backup daily. Just run and check backup is running or not. Refresh. So now let me remove this one and let me check again. So you can able to check the file is created and database backup is also created. Okay. I'm just giving the underscore old, and the current time is 28 and every day it will run in 7:30. Let me enable the task history. So we'll create history. We can able to check. So wait for 1 minute. Okay, 57 already. So side by side, I'm doing this. So wait for few seconds, it will automatically create. My server is down now. Okay, let me take remote again. Manually let me run. So backup is created. So why schedule backup is not created, I think. Let me check the properties. Okay, next run is 7:30 a.m. 7:39 a.m. All two. Just let me delete this. Check the trigger. Go to the properties. Okay, 7:39. So 31. I'm putting the 32:00 a.m. So 32 it will run. Side by side I'm just checking this. 25 seconds to go. So see, backup is created. So backup is created the given time, and all the database are created there, and all the collections are created there. So in this video we have learned how to schedule MongoDB database backups on Windows Server. So step by step process is given there, script is given there, and how to save the script, how to call the script, everything is given there. So let me know if you have any help to configure this. For any doubts and query, please write on the YouTube video comment section. Not follow the process shown in the video. Please subscribe and like for the more videos. Don't forget to follow, like, share and comment. Hope this will help. Thank you for watching.